All right, so today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Retevis RT68 FRS radio. That is family radio service. This is a 16-channel radio. Retevis sent this out for my review, and I think it's a pretty nice radio. It's a nice, small, compact. The antenna is built into the radio, so it's, as you can see, it's one piece. 16 channels.
Turn on the radio.
Turn it on. Very simple. It's on channel 6. I have Mrs. D over there in the car, not too far away, and we're going to get an audio check real quick. Mrs. D, do you copy? How does it sound to you?
Yes, I copy. It sounds clear.
All right, that's what I think too. I think the audio quality on the RT68 is actually really, really good for the price that you pay.
Agreed.
And we've used these in cars, doing road trips and that type of stuff, just kind of around the area. And I would say that what do you think? We get about a mile distance between the two?
Yes, we've done about a mile.
Yeah, as you can see, they're pretty nice. They're pretty clear. I really like these. All right, thanks for your help.
No problem. You're welcome.
So as you can see, the audio quality is very clear. It's a very simple, very simple radio to operate.